guys, welcome back to another cozy fall vlog. Today I'm just getting ready for the day, trying to get a little curl in my hair. I'm using the Dyson Airwrap, but my hair was already dry, so it didn't work out very well. I ended up using my straightening iron to make curls, but yeah, we're winging it. We're trying to get something nice going. Trying to do something with my hair today. Give it a little wave, a little body. Not bad. I did a little fall look on my eyes. I was using this palette here, and I used some yellow and some red, I guess, and brown. I don't like doing a lot on my lids because I have such hooded eyes, but a little something is nice. We're gonna do some lipstick today. This is Rumberry by Revlon. Okay. Alright guys, I'm back. I've had my surgery. Thank you guys for your well wishes during this time of healing. I appreciate it so much. I did not end up having endometriosis, which was amazing. I had a fibroid on my uterus and my OBGYN removed it. So we'll see if that was the cause of all of my pain. And if not, then the next step is to see a GI specialist. So only time will tell. I recovered well and quickly. I'm currently 4 days out from surgery and I'm moving around. The first day when I came home, I rested for several hours and then I was like cooking dinner. Of course, the pain meds help, but overall it was just a really nice recovery process. I can't complain. So that's that. You guys, today I have some really cozy holiday treats to make with you guys. We're gonna do a fall punch and then a fall pastry. This looks so delicious. I can't wait to show you guys. I wanted to wear something really cute today. A skirt and some boots and like go all out for fall. Nice chunky sweater, but I still can't wear anything constricting. So sweats it is, just for another couple of days. What's fun about this recipe is you only need a few ingredients and it's so tasty. If you have a holiday party coming up or you just want to make it for Thanksgiving dinner or just be festive and have a little non-alcoholic mocktail for yourself, like I like to do, this is perfect for that. Just gives you all those cozy feelings. This is a cocktail glass that I purchased from Kirkland's. I'm going to take you guys shopping there later today for some great holiday stuff, but this is where I got it from. I made some ice cubes ahead of time in my little mold here that I got from Amazon. I just put some cranberries and some fresh rosemary. It'll make our little presentation really beautiful and festive. So we're gonna need some sliced pears. If you don't have pear nectar, which is ideal for this recipe, just get the canned pears, no sugar added, and we're gonna blend it in the blender. That is just an easier way to do it. We need cinnamon sticks, a little bit of good quality ginger beer, and then the pumpkin pie syrup that you get from Amazon. This has been viral, so good in different iced coffees and different recipes. I also got mine from Amazon. And then I just have some star anise as a garnish. So just a couple of ingredients, let's get going. I'm gonna rim the glass with a little bit of sugar. I think some brown sugar would look really beautiful on this. Look how pretty these are. Pumpkin. And a nice maple leaf. Just about that much. A cinnamon stick, a star of anise. give it a taste test now. So beautiful, you guys. Can you imagine serving this at a party or just a nice dinner? I'm gonna taste it by itself and then we'll try a little drizzle also. Oh my goodness. If you're somebody who really wants to love apple cider, but you just can't because it's so overly sweet, or maybe you can't drink too much, try the pear nectar with the ginger beer. It's so refreshing, you guys. It has a little bit of that carbonation. It has the sweetness, natural sweetness from the pear. So, so lovely. If you are somebody who enjoys alcohol every now and then, putting a little bit of rum in here, maybe a little bourbon, just kind of warming it up, getting yourself a little hot toddy, you know, around the fireplace. Let's try it with a little bit more sweetness. So, so good. You cannot go wrong with this. It's amazing. Cheers. Now let's work on our puff pastry. I just got these pre-made sheets. I have my can of pumpkin here. I don't have a recipe for this. I just saw that I had some ingredients and I said, hey, let's get some kind of dessert going, you know? I don't like measuring. I'm sorry, you guys. This is just me trying to use up stuff in my house and we're winging it. I kind of want that cheesecakey pumpkin thing going on. I'm gonna use about half of this. And of course, we're gonna sweeten it so it's gonna be like a cheesecake. Actually, I should probably let's use the whole thing. We're actually gonna add some more pumpkin. And a nice strong pumpkin flavor. I popped this in the microwave for 30 seconds and it made it a lot easier to blend. Or mix, rather. I'm gonna put my vanilla, pumpkin pie seasoning. I'm thinking I'll need a cup of confectioner sugar. Let me taste this. That's really close. Super good. Perfect amount of pumpkin. Perfect amount of spice. Just a little more sugar. And it tastes very cheesecakey. Love that. Next, I'm gonna put an egg in here so that everything sticks together. I have my parchment paper pan. Let's roll out this dough. And I'm going to seal the edges like an empanada. Bake for 15 minutes. I only used a little bit of that filling, so I'm probably going to use the rest to make some stuffed French toast tomorrow morning. For the kids. That'll be a really nice brunchy breakfast thing. While we wait for the baking, do you guys want to see some footage that I took after my surgery? I wanted to vlog the whole experience for you guys because it was weird. I've had plenty of surgeries in my life, but this one was a little weird. I did not end up vlogging it though, but I did get some clips of how I was feeling right after surgery, like as soon as we left the hospital. I might as well just show you, so here we go. I just left the hospital and Chris and I are stopping to get an iced coffee before we head home. Let me show you. I have this like wrap on. It's like Velcro, and it's a compression wrap that's keeping everything really tight. I had 2 like incisions, 2 little holes. I'm all right. I'm feeling okay. I'm not in any pain right now, but I still have like pain meds in me. So yeah. We have coffee.
Here's yours.
Thank you. Is it the white chocolate or vanilla?
Vanilla.
Okay.
White chocolate.
Oat milk, vanilla latte. Cheers. That was me needing a coffee right away. I had 2 IVs, 1 in each arm. Look at these bruises. Eesh. Usually I only have 1 IV, but yeah. So those turned out really good. It got so hot in here, I had to put my hair back. But yeah, let's go head out and do some holiday shopping. I want to show you guys the new stuff at Kirkland's. And then I'm so hungry. I think Chris and I are gonna go to our favorite Korean spot and get some delicious food. And then I'll come back, eat the dessert, get all cozy, watch a movie, and yeah, chill the rest of the night. back home now, you guys. It has been such a fun day. I'm gonna get cozy, do some editing so I can get this video out to you guys as soon as possible. Thank you for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed the video and have an amazing rest of your day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.